We've hit the round numbers. It's day 140. It's John McLauchlan promoting Clickbank products using myleadgensecret. This is the case study I've been doing since the beginning of January, just to see how much revenue we can generate in 12 months and how much recurring revenue we can generate in 12 months as well. So we're still going. Day 140 every single, or pretty much every single day. So here we go. So let me go and click on Clickbank. I've had another sale come in today. In terms of the stats, we're going to look at the reporting. If you've got your own Clickbank account, hopefully you've made some semblance of the new stats. They're fairly straightforward. Okay, so let's go on a quick look at the beginning of Jan. So 1st of January to today, which is the 1st of June. The birds are cheeping because it's the summertime. Right, 2,483.72. One thing to note on this is quite interesting is the sales now equal pegging. 39 sales on the previous product in Q1 and 39 sales currently right now. So we've still got another sort of month to go. So we're going to do a lot better in terms of the initial sales. In terms of the so social sales rep, we had 21,000 hops. Social paid 17.8. Unique hops, so we performed slightly better on the social sales rep. Okay, so in terms of the stats, but currently I say that we're still only 2 months in, so Q2 is not yet over. Anyway, so 34,443 uniques in the hops, 190 initial form impressions. It's all different now, isn't it? Okay, you see the stats there. 78 sales. There's a stat that we can understand. Okay, but yeah, I mean we know the numbers. The gross earnings is good, and from the original conversions that we're looking at between the hops and now it's all different. So anyway, you'll get used to it. Right, let's go and jump on to myleadgensecret. If you don't know what myleadgensecret is, go and have a look at the first link in the description where I have a page there where I talk about myleadgensecret and why you should get started. And if you've followed me any amount of time doing this, you'll know the whys and wherefores of myleadgensecret. And if you haven't got started with it, then what are you going to do? Are you just watching for entertainment purposes? Is it because you like my t-shirts? I don't know. Probably not. But yeah, somebody said to me, you know, if not this, then what? And if not why, if not now, then when? Okay, so in other words, either, you know, just get something done. All right, it's so important to actually pull the trigger and do something, because what you'll find is, and I find this, and I did a video a little while ago, you never really understand, people don't really know what they're capable of, and it only takes this to suddenly get that belief of, okay, I can get sales with this. If I can get sales with this, with co-registration leads, then I can get sales with anything. Okay, so you know, this can take you to where you want to go. Anyway, where we want to go right now is we want to go and send some emails. So we're going to go to the mailing system, and we are going to send all the emails. So in this account, we've got 337,000 leads. Okay. Now the servers will send to the first 200,000, okay, because they're the limitations of the servers. I'm going to load in yesterday's email. Okay, I've made some tweaks to this. This is quite a good one. This email that I'm going to send today. Missed my $sign off. $7.70 a week if you're into tech and Instagram. Okay, so we're going to copy the whole email, copy that, and I'm going to send that. So yeah, I've been putting a new monitor in my office today, and so I'm doing this. It's a little bit later. I sort of did this, and I kind of watched the TT, and I thought, right, let's I better do something, because it's getting on. It's like 20 past 10 at night here. Okay, but we'll just get it done anyway. Right, so yeah, you got to watch the TT. You can't miss that. Isle of Man TT. If you're a fan, then you know. Right, have we got that? We've got the right date. Yes, we have. Right, so we'll go and click on that, and we'll paste that in. Okay, let's go back to it. No, we'll go to the bold first. Go to the top because we need to change that to 1A. 1A. There we go. And then we need to change our formatting. Oh, look at that! I've just been saying that. Yeah, 40-inch. I did actually put a 40-inch monitor. I've got two monitors that I use for kind of work. But would you believe, on these two monitors are both, I think they're 37 inches. They're about that wide. I know you can't see that on my screen, but they're big. And there's two of them. And I've kind of got to a point where I go, I can't see. I need more room because I've got so many apps open, so many different programs open and stuff. And I'm just thinking, how would I ever work off a laptop? I know you do, but crikey. The way I'm going, I think I'll just have a whole wall, my big huge wall at the end there. I'll have just a whole wall of TVs, like some sort of weird Bond villain. What am I doing? I think I've done that wrong. Right, 1, 2, 3. There we go. The Bond villain that does My Lead Gen Secret. Could you imagine? Right, let's go and preview that. Right. Okay. So the email content is okay. It's good. Okay, the links are good. I always go and check those. I checked them before I came on, but I always like to check. So there's the hop. Always make sure you got your right hop. Make sure you got the right page as well. Okay, because obviously we're looking for congruency, and without that, you kind of spook a lot of people. Right, good. Okay, we'll close that, and we're going to send email. Simple as that. Right, source, Control A, C. Just pasting this into my notepad. I'll just copy all the source, and then we're good to go. Right. Account number 2. Mailing system. Oh, need to select all the leads. How many we've got in this one? 169,300 leads in this one. And like I said, I always say this, it's not about how many leads you've got. People they're still obsessed with accounts and leads and everything else. It's how you send your emails and the connection you make with your audience. That's the main thing. It does make a difference, of course. You know, if you're sending good emails, quality emails, and you're also got the quantity as well. But you know, quality is first and foremost, not quantity. As anybody who's lost money with Facebook ads or solo ads will tell you, because everyone has at some point. Right, send email. Good. Time for a quick coffee. We've got a coffee on the go as well. Yes, I've got these two monitors here, and then up here, just there, I've got, is it 40 inch or 40? I think it's bigger than that, is it? No, it's 40 inch. It's massive. Hopefully it just should do the job. So my graphics card will work with it. We'll see. I'm testing it. I haven't got a cable for it yet. Right, what are we doing? Mailing system. Like to select all leads. Go in this account. 169,200 leads. Paste that in. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Right, the source code. Control AV. Number 3. See, this process is so straightforward. Okay, the skill really isn't. I'll tell you what I'll do tomorrow. Is I will I will go through one of my old emails, because what I'm doing, I'm kind of doing the emails before I start the session, and then I'm sending the email. So pretty much the majority of it is me going, look, click paste, which kind of gets a bit boring. I can't imagine, you know, being very enthralled by it. I know people like to follow along, but you know, watching a northern bloke just click a mouse and talk nonsense. Okay, so yeah, tomorrow we'll construct an email and I'll go through it. But to be honest, there's so much information on this case study. You'll see all kinds of things. Look at this, quite a good open rate there, 6,440 with a 4%. So we'll probably see some more sales from that as well, because that's what happens with this. People open it, they have a look, they kick around. What's happened here? Alright, something's happened here. Let's just go and refresh the page. I think we've got a bit of a... Right, let's just try that. Obviously, they're doing something in the background, and it's just... right, let's just go to Control A, V. Let me just go and preview that before I do anything. That looks okay. Right, looks okay. Just the subject line changed, or the formatting of that form changed. Right, so we're in account 5, and we are in also account 5. Right, let's preview that again. Yeah, that looks okay. Right, let's go and send. Okay, there we go. There we go, good, that's gone. Right, 23 hours to wait until we can do it all again. Let me just make sure I've got all the accounts done. Did I do 5? Didn't do it. I put the wrong one in. Right, let's do it again. If I tell you what we'll do. I'll put 5 as well. Because obviously I don't want to put 4 because the stats are a bit different, or the numbers are a bit different. Right, let's go and preview it. Have a quick look. Looks good. That's good. Send email. There we go. We're done. Yeah, tomorrow I'll go through an email. What I've done, I've got a document of all the emails that I produce sales. And I think it's important to tweak them, you know, again. So that's what I've done. So yeah, we'll go through it again. So let's have a Clickbank just to see what's if anything's come in since I've been talking. $2483. Still the same. Okay, so yeah, we'll come on tomorrow and see what's happened. It's Saturday here currently in the UK, and Sunday tomorrow, would you believe? So yeah, we'll see what happens at Sunday tomorrow. And usually we get a sale or two coming in. Sometimes weekends can be a bit strange, but you know, we've been consistent with this. So you know, we should get some. We should get a few more results as well. So anyway, if this is the first time you've seen the channel, hit the subscribe button if you want to get some value from it. Give us a big thumbs up as well. Any questions that you've got, reach out to me with any questions. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the session tomorrow, where we'll be constructing an email, going through it a bit more detail, and making it a bit more interesting than seeing some bloke copy and paste. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.